Me, I just can't take it. I'll never be nothing without my daughter, that's clear as day. As you can know and as you can see, that's all that brings me to me. Everybody wanna think and everybody wanna act like they been in my shoes, but I'm stepping to the plate now, and I'm losing my mind and I don't know what to do. But I'm telling you now, I'm standing on the cloud and I'm praying now. But what do I do when the end of time comes and I still ain't got to see my kid? I blow my top, nails come loose in my head, brain damage separates and I go crazy in my own mind. People think I'm crazy, maybe I am crazy, but all I wanna do is be crazy and get to see my kid. I just wanna hold my daughter, I just wanna see her for that first time and see her pretty smile. See my little angel, I just don't know what to say. Yeah, I made that girl and I love her to death till this day, but I don't know what to do. Every single day the gets worse and worse and worse, and I'm just trapped in this maze. Tears of acid rain just pouring down my face. I look at the sky and I can't do nothing but pray, but I'm standing on an outcast cliff now. What do I do? Do I jump or do I take a leap back? Everybody wanna say that they wanna hate on me, they wanna run up and they wanna talk right behind my back. I just don't know what to do anymore. I'm trapped in a pain maze, death tone of sleep, can't wake up from this bad dream, but I try. Somebody please wake me up from this bad dream you call a lie, cause I just can't stand it no more. I'm standing on the balcony looking at everybody wanna slit my throat.